Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine on this Tuesday morning. So everybody is doing all right. I'm glad to be here at my channel and give you some more great information about golden milk. And golden milk is even known as haldi ka doodh. So let's see friends how well we can make it. Friends, I'm taking here 2% milk and I just take only half cup, but you guys can drink 1 cup. Just because nobody else wants to drink in my family, I'm using half cup milk and keep it in the microwave and heat it very well. I'm adding some turmeric and it's already yellow, and I take a bit of black pepper also and add it, and you can add a spoon of sugar, and I'm adding half a spoon of sugar too because my children like it with little sugar. So mix it well, take the milk and drink it friends. This turmeric milk is very good for good nails, good hair. So friends, I finished my milk and I love this milk, and it's very good for cough, cold. If you have a throat pain, it will really make you feel much better, and you don't have to go to the doctor at all because common cold and cough and throat pain will just be gone only with this hot cup of milk which has turmeric and black pepper. And if you don't like sugar, don't add. So but I added half spoon, so and I'm drinking it too. It's very good friends. The golden milk is very useful for your immune system. It's so highly recommended in winters and summers. Even if you don't drink, it's okay because you can add some turmeric and do some facials, as I've already showed you some facials and good things while doing my facials and home remedies for the face masks. So friends, with turmeric, it's such a good antibacterial thing that it helps you in reducing the inflammation. It gives a good glow from within, from inside your skin. Your skin will be so healthy, and if there are any cuts and bruises, you can always apply turmeric powder on those cuts and bruises, and the bleeding just stops if you have a slight cut in the kitchen while you're cutting a vegetable, say like you're cutting onions or tomatoes. So if you cut your finger, just apply wherever it's got cut. Like if it's got cut in this finger and there's a big cut, just take a little turmeric and apply it on your finger, and the cut will stop bleeding, and it'll heal off within 2 or 3 days, and you'll not feel the pain also friends. And turmeric milk is very good. It gives a good glow, as I've already mentioned, and it clears your tummy well. And turmeric is very, very, very healthy actually. Turmeric, as you all know, how I put turmeric in all my foods. And with turmeric, if you add black pepper in your milk and in your food and all, it will helps you in good digestion. Black pepper combined with the turmeric gives double the benefits. I've always mentioned this friends. So turmeric is very good. Milk is again gives you good calcium. It's good for your bones, good for children's growth and sleeping. It helps even in sleeping in the night. If you are not getting sleep, it cures your insomnia. You don't have to take sleeping pills and all friends. So milk is very good at bedtime, but you should always eat your dinner early. Like if you have your dinner at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, you can take a warm milk and sleep, and you can always eat dinner at 7 o'clock, and then you can just take milk at 10 o'clock in the night before you sleep and before you brush your teeth. So friends, turmeric is very, very good. You should really incorporate in your diets and all your foods. And sometimes turmeric also helps in good bones, and it helps you a lot friends for everything. Turmeric is very good. So if you get like turmeric for doing facials, again it makes your skin brighter and nice. So turmeric you should incorporate, friends. You can make turmeric mask on your face with milk, and again just apply it, keep it on for 15 minutes and wash it off with normal water. That's a very good facial tip and good for your face. It makes your face brighter, but all the foods you should take, and when your diet is good, it shows on your face, and it shows that you have a glowing skin from within. Everything happens once you put good food inside. You can see the glow on the face and your hairs, your nails, your body stays healthy. That's the good intention to take milk and turmeric. And I hope you liked my turmeric milk recipe with black pepper. If you want sugar, you can add sugar. If you don't want sugar, don't add sugar. And if you want to take honey, you can always take honey also, friends. And I have showed you many things about doing face mask with honey too. So friends, I hope this information was good for you. And drink a lot of turmeric milk in winter. It's very, very good, friends. So I can only recommend and say it is a good, excellent source of calcium and reduces inflammation. Try it, friends. And friends, if you liked my channel and you felt there is a lot of information, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, and subscribe it. Till the next time, see you all. Bye.